Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button so you can subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on your post notification so that way anytime a new video is posted, you're alerted. And make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up and leave me some love down in the comments below. So today we have a unboxing type of video for contact line. As you guys can see, I'm not wearing my contacts today. These are my natural brown eyes. As you can see, I just did like a exfoliating treatment on my face and moisturized, so it's feeling very nice and soft. And I haven't done my makeup or anything yet, my hair, any of that, but that's coming. Anyways, so I wanted to show you guys this unboxing here by the company TTDI, and it's seeing different. A lot of their contacts are very like natural looking. So if you guys want to try out some of their contacts, I'm going to post it in the description box, the link, as well as my coupon code, so that way you guys can save on your purchase. So in this box, this is what it looks like when it comes. Like I said, it comes in this cute little pink box. I really like it a lot. I think it gives it just a feminine touch. Not saying that you have to be feminine to purchase contacts or color contacts, of course not. They do prescripted and non-prescripted, but it'll look like this in the box. And they send you a case. So they sent me 3 different types of contacts, 3 cases, and I actually don't really know what this is. It looks like some sort of glitter, maybe like a glitter for your face that you can use to like makeup, kind of, I would say. Kind of reminds me of the makeup from the show, if you guys ever watched it, Euphoria, and how the girl used to always have like the glitter and stuff like that right here or right here on her face. So that's kind of what this reminds me of. I assume that's what it is. Looks like there's also some like stickers in the bottom of here as well. This is a little mirror that you get, which is super cool. It says Happy Smile hand mirror. And it says it's a wonderful day today. It's really cute, but here's the stickers. And 3 pairs. So here's the Polar Lights one that they sent. And then this is the Crystal Ball 2. So they sent 2 pairs of Polar Lights. I've never tried the Polar Lights. I'm kind of excited to try that one. The Crystal Ball ones, I believe I've tried before. Actually, I tried the Crystal Ball ones. These are the 2s. And so they come in little packages like this. This is what they look like. They come in little like solution, so that way it doesn't dry out the contact and it keeps it clean. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try on some of these. I have my contact case that I use all the time right here, and I got some fresh solution in there, so I'm just gonna use that to like re-clean them off. I don't know, contacts for me are like, I'm very particular, so I like to double, triple, quadruple clean them sometimes. But yeah, so this is the Crystal Ball 2 that I'm gonna go ahead and try on. Can't really see it. I love though they're very lightweight and like clear. So we got these ones, Crystal Ball 2. As you can see, the difference in my eyes from how dark my eyes actually are to this light gray color. And this is the Crystal Ball 2, so it is supposed to be like a gray color. The Polar Grays have a little bit blue gray, so I guess we'll see what that looks like. Well, but these are on. I actually really like this one. It's light, puts me in the mind of similar to the one I have now, but different. So yeah, these are cute. I like. All right, so now that I took that out, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and try on the Polar Lights 2. Oh, it's just Polar Lights. I've been calling it Polar Lights 2 this whole time. Girl. A baby girl. Ooh, this one looks different. If you guys can see that from here already. Okay, girl. Let's see how cute you are. But shout out to this brand, man. I feel like I actually came across this brand on accident, looking for contacts online, and I was looking for them in a hurry because I had ripped my other one and I didn't have any extras. I ran out, and so I came across this site and I was like, oh man, you know, they do prescription, they do non-prescripted, all that, and I was like, cool, so I could order some. And then they had so many varieties for gray, really varieties for everything, and so I was very impressed by their selection. So I kind of like Googled the brand and they had great reviews, so I was like, cool, so I'll go ahead and do that. And honestly, I've been buying my contacts from them ever since, and that was about probably over a year ago now. So I'm really kind of excited for this brand, and I'm excited for everybody who likes to wear contacts or need to wear contacts that you guys actually try it out, because change your life, girl. Change your life, or boy. No discrimination here. All right, guys, so this is the other one. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it off really good. This is the Polar Lights. As you guys can see the difference between my natural eye and the Polar Lights. It definitely has like different tones underneath it. So it's got like the blue, gray, green even, I feel, in this color. So here it is, close up. So you guys can see it. So yeah, I actually really like this one too. Between the two, I'm not sure which one's my favorite. I don't know. Why do you like these ones? Actually, these ones might be the fave. These might be the move, guys. I might be switching it up. I've had the same color for a while now. Since I've been wearing them, I think actually I've had the same color. I haven't switched up at all. These are so like comfortable too. I meant to tell you guys that. I definitely think that I like these ones a lot. So you guys let me know in the comments below what you guys think of each pair, which one's your fave, which one you're not that impressed with. Let me know, and if you guys let me know in the comments below, the next video I do I'll be wearing the ones that you guys like. So let me know in the comments. Make sure you guys follow me on my social media sites. I'm gonna post them down here. Boom. And yeah, like I said, these contacts are very lightweight. And they come in a variety of different shades, very natural looking, and they're not hard, they're soft contact lens if you like that. And they come in cute little packaging and things like that. You guys can use my code to save some money on your purchase. It'll be in the description box, as I said before. Keep Marie Squad, what's up? We in here, I'm excited. I love these contacts, and that's it, y'all. I will see you guys in my next video.